7 months, the fields were green, the rain came on time, and there was no reason to hurry. 7 months we walked real slow, watching all the green things grow. Morning rain had kissed the land, life was growing close at hand. Grandpa smiled beside the gate, there's still plenty of time to wait. The fields were young, the sky was wide, and autumn waited on our side. No need to hurry, no need to run. The work of summer was already done. The earth knew what to do, the rain knew when to fall, and we believed there'd be enough for all. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Walk beneath the summer sky, watch the little clouds go by. 7 months slow, there was nowhere we had to go. The fields were growing, the river ran, and tomorrow waited in the farmer's hand. After supper by the door, we would talk a little more. Someone laughed, someone would sing, crickets answered everything. A wooden chair, an evening breeze, rice fields moving like the sea. Nothing seemed too rich or poor, we were grateful for the world. Maybe we were not so rich, but we had rain and growing fields. Maybe time was all we had, but time itself was something real. We did not know how precious those days would be. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Let the summer sunlight shine, let the rain come right on time. 7 months slow, there was faith in what we'd grow. The earth was green, the sky was kind, and autumn waited somewhere down the line. 7 months, walk slowly, the harvest is coming. Opened slowly over the fields, the sun came first, but the clouds did not come. Morning light across the field, silver leaves and earth revealed. Every blade was standing still, waiting on the distant hill. I looked up beyond the trees, listening for the coming breeze. There were clouds somewhere far away, but none of them came our way. The sky was beautiful, almost too blue. The morning was quiet, almost too still. And somewhere beneath that silence, the earth was waiting. When the clouds did not come, we waited in the sun. Not for thunder, not for storms, just a little rain to keep the fields warm. When the clouds passed by, we watched them cross the sky. They were carrying water somewhere beyond our sight, while the earth below was waiting. The old road shimmered in the heat. Dust rose softly at our feet. No dragonflies above the street, only shadows of a dream. A farmer stood beside the gate, looking at the sky and wait. There was nothing more to say, so he watched another cloud drift away. The sun grew higher, the field grew quieter, and every passing cloud felt farther away. When the clouds did not come, we waited in the sun. Not for riches, not for more, just the rain we'd known before. When the clouds passed by, we followed with our eyes a little piece of heaven, moving slowly out of sight, and the ground beneath us was still waiting. Soft piano, cello enters, distant saxophone strings gradually become fuller. How much rain does a field need? Not a flood, not a storm, just enough to breathe again. And suddenly the blue sky didn't feel beautiful anymore. When the clouds did not come, we learned waiting means. A farmer's prayer can be very small. One quiet rain, one gentle night, one morning when the earth feels alive, when the clouds return. Let them come softly, let them find the thirsty fields, let them leave a little hope behind. The sky was still blue, the fields were still waiting, and somewhere beyond the horizon, a cloud was coming.
Sous les nuages, 구름 아래에서 나는 하늘을 바라봅니다. Sous les nuages, the morning is quiet, the fields are so dry. A pale little cloud is crossing the sky. I don't ask for thunder, I don't ask for rain, I only ask softly to breathe once again. Sous les nuages, je parle au ciel, pas pour un miracle, pas pour l'éternel, juste un peu d'eau sur la terre fatiguée, juste assez de pluie pour la faire respirer. Oh ciel, ne donne pas trop, ne donne pas trop peu, juste assez de pluie pour réveiller la terre. Oh ciel, laisse tomber doucement tes petites gouttes sur les champs, and let the earth breathe again. A farmer stands quietly, his hands by his side. He watches the clouds that slowly divide. The sun keeps shining, the road turns to gold, but somewhere beneath us the earth feels old. Sous les nuages, je garde l'espoir. Je regarde le soir, pas trop de pluie, pas trop de soleil, juste assez pour que la terre s'égrade. If you hear a sky above, send no storm and send no flood, just a gentle summer rain falling softly on the plain. Let the rivers find their way, let the fields turn green again. pluie sur nos terres. Let tomorrow be green again. 세레네르 구름 아래에서 우리는 기다립니다. Not for more, only for enough que la terre respire. Let the earth breathe again.
I have done what I can do. Now heaven, the rest is yours. I planted every little seed, gave the earth the care she needs. Morning came and morning went. I gave the land my time and sweat. I watched the seasons come and go, learn the things that farmers know. You cannot make the rain appear, you only tend the soil you love. So I won't blame the sky, I won't turn away. I'll keep my hands in the earth and wait another day. Let the fields breathe again, let the green come back again. Send a little rain across this thirsty land. I don't need a miracle, I don't need a storm, just enough water to keep these roots warm. Let the fields breathe again, and we'll begin again. There's an old road by the field where the summer heat won't yield. Still I hear the distant sound of a river somewhere underground. Maybe clouds will find us soon, maybe rain will cross the moon. Until then I'll do my part, keep a little hope inside my heart. The sky may take its time, the earth may wait its turn, but every seed beneath the soil still remembers how to grow.
Let the fields breathe again, let the green come back again. this thirsty land. I don't need a miracle, I don't need a storm, just enough water to keep these roots warm. Let the fields breathe again, and we'll begin again. Sometimes life is waiting, sometimes faith is quiet, sometimes all we have to do is keep the door open for tomorrow. Let the fields breathe again. Let the morning come again. Let the clouds gather slowly over every field we tend. We have planted, we have waited, we have carried on. When the rain finally finds us, we'll still be here, still growing on. I did my part. You do yours, sky. And when the rain comes, let the fields breathe again.
Seven months, the fields were green. The rain came on time, and there was no reason to hurry. 7 months we walked real slow, watching all the green things grow. Morning rain had kissed the land, life was growing close at hand. Grandpa smiled beside the gate, there's still plenty of time to wait. The fields were young, the sky was wide, and autumn waited on our side. No need to hurry, no need to run, the work of summer was already done. The earth knew what to do, the rain knew when to fall, and we believed enough for all. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Walk beneath the summer sky, watch the little clouds go by. 7 months slow, there was nowhere we had to go. The fields were growing, the river ran, and tomorrow waited in the farmer's hand. After supper by the door, we would talk a little more. Someone laughed, someone would sing. Crickets answered everything. A wooden chair, an evening breeze, rice fields moving like the sea. Nothing seemed too rich or poor, we were grateful for the world. Maybe we were not so rich, but we had rain and growing fields. Maybe time was all we had, but time itself was something real. We did not know how precious those days would be. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Let the summer sunlight shine, let the rain come right on time. 7 months slow, there was faith in what we'd grow. The earth was green, the sky was kind, and autumn waited somewhere down the line. 7 months. Walk slowly. The harvest is coming. Morning opened slowly over the fields. The sun came first, but the clouds did not come. Morning light across the field, silver leaves and earth revealed. Every blade was standing still, waiting on the distant hill. I looked up beyond the trees, listening for the coming breeze. There were clouds somewhere far away, but none of them came our way. The sky was beautiful, almost too blue. The morning was quiet, almost too still. And somewhere beneath that silence, the earth was waiting. When the clouds did not come, we waited in the sun, not for thunder, not for storms, just a little rain to keep the fields warm. When the clouds passed by, we watched them cross the sky. They were carrying water somewhere beyond our sight, while the earth below was waiting. The old road shimmered in the heat, dust rose softly at our feet. No dragonflies above the stream, only shadows of a dream. A farmer stood beside the gate, looking at the sky and wait. There was nothing more to say, so he watched another cloud drift away. The sun grew higher, the field grew quieter, and every passing cloud felt farther away. When the clouds did not come, we waited in the sun, not for riches, not for more, just the rain we'd known before. When the clouds passed by, we followed with our eye the little piece of heaven moving slowly out of sight, and the ground beneath us was still waiting. Soft piano and cello enters. Distant saxophone strings gradually become fuller. How much rain does a field need? Not a flood, not a storm, just enough to breathe again. And suddenly the blue sky didn't feel beautiful anymore. When the clouds did not come, we learned what waiting means. A farmer's prayer can be very small. One quiet rain, one gentle night, one morning. When the earth feels alive, when the clouds return, let them come softly, let them find the thirsty fields. Let them leave a little hope behind. The sky was still blue, the fields were still waiting, and somewhere beyond the horizon, a cloud was coming.
Sous les nuages, 구름 아래에서 나는 하늘을 바라봅니다. Sous les nuages, the morning is quiet, the fields are so dry. A pale little cloud is crossing the sky. I don't ask for thunder, I don't ask for rain, I only ask softly to breathe once again. Sous les nuages, je parle au ciel, pas pour un miracle, pas pour l'éternel, juste un peu d'eau sur la terre fatiguée, juste assez de pluie pour la faire respirer. Oh ciel, ne donne pas trop, ne donne pas trop peu, juste assez de pluie pour réveiller la terre. Oh ciel, laisse tomber doucement tes petits petits de gouttes sur les champs. And let the earth breathe again. A farmer stand quietly, his hands by his side. He watches the clouds that slowly divide. The sun keeps shining, the road turns to gold, but somewhere beneath us the earth feels old. Sous les nuages, je garde l'espoir. Sous les nuages, je regarde le soir. Pas trop de pluie, pas trop de soleil, juste assez pour que la terre se réveille. If you hear a sky above, send no storm and send no flood, just a gentle summer rain falling softly on the plain. Let the rivers find their way, let the fields turn green again. Oh ciel, ne donne pas trop, ne donne pas trop peu, juste assez de pluie pour les champs et les fleurs. Oh ciel, laisse tomber doucement la pluie sur nos terres, be green again. Sous les nuages, a래에서 우리는 기다립니다. Not for more, only for enough que la terre respire. Let the earth breathe again.
Done what I can do. Now heaven, the rest is yours. I planted every little seed, gave the earth the care she'd need. Morning came and morning went, I gave the land my time and sweat. I watched the seasons come and go, learned the things that farmers know. You cannot make the rain appear, you only tend the soil you love. So I won't blame the sky, I won't turn away. I'll keep my hands in the earth and wait another day. Let the fields breathe again, let the green come back again. Send a little rain warm. Let the fields breathe again, and we'll begin again. There's an old road by the field where the summer heat won't yield. Still I hear the distant sound of a river somewhere underground. Maybe clouds will find us soon. Maybe rain will cross the moon. Until then I'll do my part, keep a little hope inside my heart. The sky may take its time, the earth may wait its turn, but every seed beneath the soil still remembers how to grow. Let the fields breathe again. Let the green come back again. Send a little rain across this thirsty land. I don't need a miracle, I don't need a storm, just enough water to keep these roots warm. Let the fields breathe again, and we'll begin again. Sometimes life is waiting, sometimes faith is quiet, sometimes all we have to do is keep the door open for tomorrow. Let the fields breathe again. Let the morning come again. Let the clouds gather slowly over every field we tend. We have planted, we have waited, we have carried on. When the rain finally finds us, we'll still be here, still growing on. I did my part, you do your sky. And when the rain comes, let the fields breathe again.